Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this series of videos, we are going to discuss about some of the logic skills shortcut. In this video, we are going to discuss how to find the sum of digits of a number till single digit. So usually when we are getting this kind of program, if I want to find the sum of digit of a given number till single digit, I need to come with two loop. So one loop will find the sum of digit and the outer loop will check whether the sum of digit is single digit or not. So if it is not single digit, again the same iteration will continue. So finally, if I want to solve this particular problem, I mean, if I want to find the sum of digits of a given number till single digit, I need to come with two loop. So this is our as usual way of solving this particular problem. So, but in this video, we are going to see how to achieve the same logic without using even a single loop. Let me take a variable. For example, I'm taking a variable, let it be int input equal 823. And you know that if the input is 823, then the expected output will be 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Again, 13 is not a single digit. So again, it has to repeat once again to find the sum of digit 1 plus 3. So finally, our expected output should be 4 if the input is 823. So to achieve this logic, I mean, the normal approach is yes, we have to come with two loop. One loop, I mean, the inner loop will find the sum of digit, and the outer loop will check whether the result is single digit or not. If it is not single digit, again it has to continue with the same iteration. So usually, if I want to solve this problem, I need to come with two loop. But right now, here what we are going to do, we are going to achieve the same logic with the help of some shortcut. I'm just taking a variable output. So there I'm going to store my result. So coming to this input, if the input is 823, then our expected result is 4. Nothing but 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, again 1 plus 3, 4. So now let's see how to achieve that. So it's very simple, friends. I will say my output value is input modulus 9. I will be getting the sum of digit of the given number till single digit. Let me run this code and will verify whether I am getting expected output 4 or not. You can look at the output. We got our output by using single statement itself. So let me change my input. Let me give, for example, if the input is, so let me say 89. I'm randomly taking a number 89. So if the input is 89 means, so the expected output will be, I mean, output should be 8 plus 9, nothing but 17. And again, it's not a single digit. So the output should be 1 plus 7, nothing but the final output should be 8. Let us verify whether our code is giving a correct answer or not. Let me run it once again. You can look at the output friends. We are getting the expected output 8. So finally, instead of using two loop within single line, we have achieved this particular logic programming. So now you may get a question. If the number is exactly divided by 9, what will happen? If the number is 27, if the input number is 27, so then our expected output is 2 plus 7, nothing but 9. But 27 is exactly dividing by 9. So in this particular case, if any of the number is exactly dividing by dividing by 9, then the result should be 9. For example, you can take a input, let it be the input is 81, and 81 is also exactly going to divide by 9. So then the result should be 8 plus 1, nothing but 9. So finally, if the given number is exactly dividing by 9, then the result should be 9. Else, the result should be input modulus 9 to get sum of digit of the given number till single digit. So finally, what I will do to achieve the complete result for any of the input, what I will do, I will verify whether the given number is exactly dividing by 9 or not. If the given number is exactly dividing by 9, then I will say result should be 9. Else, I will say the result should be output equal input modulus 9. So let me do one thing here also. Let me make it like this. Let me use the output variable. I will say output equal to 9. Finally, now you can see I got the complete code. So this code will work for any of the input. Maybe the input exactly divided by 9 or not divided by 9. Whatever it is, I will be getting the result of sum of digit of the number till single digit without using any loop. So let me verify my result. Let me remove this commands. So now you can see the number is 27. So then the result should be 9. Let us verify. You can look at the output. I am getting 9. If the number is exactly dividing by 9, then I will say output should be 9. Suppose if the number is not exactly dividing by 9, let me take uh, maybe 2 3, or let me take 2 8. So you know 2 8 means 2 plus 8 10. Again it is 2 digit number. So 10 means 1 plus 0, the result should be 1. Let us verify whether it is displaying the result as 1 or not. You can look at the output, it is displaying. So finally we got our sum of digits of a number till single digit without using even a single loop. So hope friends you are clear about this particular shortcut to find the sum of digits of a number till single digit. So in this series, we will be discussing some more logic related program, especially in shortcut. So thanks friends for watching this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe and click on the bell symbol so that as soon as I upload a new video, you will be getting the notification. Also, you can share it with your friends.